Hi, welcome to the Crypto Republic. Before we dive in, if you're serious about staying ahead in this once-in-a-lifetime financial shift, make sure you like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the Crypto Republic. In every age of wealth and wonder, there's a moment where faith collides with fortune. In the Dutch Republic of the 1600s, it was tulips. In today's digital age, it is XRP. Two stories separated by centuries, yet bound by the same riddle. What makes something truly valuable? The year was 1637. Amsterdam was the beating heart of global trade. Ships brought spices from Java, furs from Russia, silver from the New World. Wealth poured into canals and counting houses, and merchants wore their prosperity like a second skin. But among gold, land, and silver, one treasure captured the imagination of the people. Not a jewel, nor a coin, but a flower, a tulip. Its colors more vivid than any pigment, its patterns unlike anything Europe had ever seen, and with beauty came frenzy. At first, tulips were the luxury of nobles and merchants, a symbol of refinement, status, taste. But obsession trickled downward. Sailors, bakers, farmers, even servants began speculating on bulbs they might never see. What they traded were not petals, but promises, contracts written in taverns by candlelight, slips of paper that represented bulbs buried in winter soil. The price of those slips rose faster than anyone imagined. At the peak, one rare bulb could cost as much as a house on Amsterdam's canal. But like all manias, it ended in silence at an auction in Haarlem. No one bid. A pause turned into hesitation. Hesitation turned to panic. Within days, fortunes evaporated. Tulip contracts became worthless papers. The tulip craze became legend, told as the first great financial bubble. Some historians argue the damage was less than the myth, but its story endured. From the South Sea bubble to the Great Depression, from the dot-com crash to the crypto winters of our time, the shadow of tulips loom whenever speculation takes root. But what of XRP, critics whisper? It's the same thing, a bubble, a mania, destined to burst, and yet it hasn't. Unlike tulips, XRP was not born in gardens but in code. It was designed for a purpose beyond beauty, to move value across the world, instantly, efficiently, without borders. Banks tested it, institutions studied it, investors speculated on it. Year after year, XRP has been declared dead. Every crash, every lawsuit, every setback was meant to be its final breath, and yet, like a stubborn river cutting through rock, it flows on. Tulips offer no utility. Their value was in fashion, in fleeting desire. When confidence cracked, the petals withered. XRP, however, is different. It carries the weight of transactions, remittance, liquidity, and the promise of bridging currencies in real time. This is why, despite accusations of being just another tulip, XRP continues to live where countless projects have died. Unlike tulips, XRP is not planted in the soil, it's planted in utility. History is full of manias, gold rushes, railroad stocks, dot-com startups. Each frenzy asks the same question: do we chase beauty or do we build infrastructure? The tulip was beauty. The South Sea Company was speculation. The internet was dismissed as a fad until it became the backbone of the 21st century. And here stands XRP, balanced between ridicule and revolution. Is it a flower for speculators, or is it a network, a bridge, a new set of financial rails for the world? Critics say XRP is centralized. XRP is overhyped. XRP is just speculation. Supporters reply XRP is adopted. XRP is fast. XRP is solving real problems. Just as in 1637, the battle is not just about value, but belief. Because markets are not driven by logic alone. They're driven by faith. Faith that tomorrow someone else will see more value than today. So we must ask, what is value? Is it the beauty of a tulip petal? The code of a digital letter? The trust of a billion-dollar bank, or the collective belief of the crowd refused to let go? The Dutch learned that when belief fades, fortunes vanish. But they also learned that no nation did not collapse with the tulip trade. Wealth shifted. Commerce endured. The world moved forward. Perhaps XRP's story will echo the same. Not an ending in collapse, but a transformation, as speculation gives way to adoption. The tulip was a flower admired in gardens. XRP is a current flowing through ledgers. The tulip bloomed, then withered. XRP, for now, continues to ripple outward. Both are the stories of desire, one rooted in beauty, the other in utility. And the difference may decide whether XRP is remembered as the tulip of our time or the infrastructure that rewrote financial history. History never repeats exactly, but it rhymes. The question for us in this moment is simple. Are we chasing tulips, or are we standing at the edge of a financial revolution? The bubble that refuses to burst is still here. What you believe about XRP may shape your future as much as tulips shaped the Dutch Republic. So ask yourself, when the river of value flows, will you watch from the shore or will you step into the current? This opened your eyes. Smash that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment. with your thoughts. Turn on notifications and most importantly, subscribe to the Crypto Republic, bringing you the truth about XRP, global banking moves, and the wealth transfer already unfolding. Don't just watch history happen. Stay informed, stay ahead, stay in the Republic.